Welcome back to Never Sell an Asset, the series where we explore the power of long-term rental property investment. In part 1 and 2, we laid the foundation for why holding onto your asset is so crucial for building wealth. Today in part 3, a lifetime of wealth and passive income, we're going to paint a vivid picture of what your financial future could look like if you simply held on to your homes and turned them into rental properties. Now let's imagine you're 30 years old, you've just purchased your first home, it's your primary residence, and you're excited to build memories in there. But what if instead of selling it down the line, you decide to keep it? Well, fast forward 2 to 4 years, you're ready for a bigger space, a different neighborhood, or maybe a change of scenery. Instead of selling your first home, you rent it out. This is where the magic begins. Your first home now becomes an income generating asset. And let's continue this pattern. Every 2 to 4 years, you purchase a new home and convert your previous residence into a rental property. Now let's do the math on this. If you start at 30 and retire at 65, that's 35 years. Assuming you purchase a new home every 3 years on average, you'd acquire approximately 11 to 12 rental properties. Think about that. By the time you retire, you're not just receiving and relying on your 401k or Social Security, but you have a portfolio of 11 to 12 income producing properties. Each of these generating passive income. The tenants are paying your mortgages, covering property taxes, and putting money directly into your pocket. This is the power of never selling an asset. Let's break down the potential income. Even with conservative estimates, each property could generate a few $100s in positive cash flow each month after expenses. Multiply that by 11 to 12 properties and you're looking at a significant larger monthly income. This is the kind of income that can provide substantial financial security, allow you to travel, pursue your passions, and enjoy your retirement to the fullest. But it doesn't have to be about the cash flow. These properties are also appreciating in value over time. Real estate has historically been a strong hedge against inflation, and your assets are compounding and growing your wealth year after year. And here's the best part. You'll start owning these assets outright. You'll have full control over your financial destiny. You're not relying on the stock market or anyone else to dictate your future. Now, this strategy isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term sustainable wealth. It requires discipline, patience, and commitment to never sell an asset. The philosophy here. Purchasing properties every 2 to 4 years does require more due diligence and financial planning, but the rewards are significantly larger. Imagine your retirement. No more worries about the bills, no more financial stresses, just the freedom to live life on your terms. That's the power of building a large portfolio of rental properties over a lifetime. So next time you think about selling your home, ask yourself, what if I kept it? What if I turned it into an income producing property? The answer could change your life and build a larger legacy for you and your family. Thank you guys for tuning in to Never Sell an Asset. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on building wealth through rental properties. Cheers.